In today's video, I will tell you how to catch a plane, helicopters, and gangster brigade. And today's video, I will also show you how to sell them. Then, guys, go to your gangster brigade, and then you can see that you should have to. If you are everywhere, that like thing you are here, you can place here, here. You are here, here. You are here, here. Then only you should have to place this here, this mark where I placed it. Then start your game. Then go to that place where you pressed it. Guys, we are there. You can see there are planes. There are no plane. There you can see the planes, and there is a water plane. Wait, 5 foot, 3, 2, 1. Guys, you can see a helicopter. Then today's video, I will tell how to take a helicopter. There is a helicopter, and now I'll tell you how to sell it. Guys, open your map. Then you can see there you should have to take your mark here. You can see here. You can see it here. Here. Okay, guys, then play.
Hola, señoras y señoritas, Paco en casa de Sánchez, inviting you to mi casa for the fiesta of a lifetime. Not only is our food full of olé, but all this weekend, la señorita Consuela Vieja de Montaña de Sangre de Cristo will be serving up our special drink, the Dirty Sánchez. Casa de Sánchez, mi casa es su casa.
Guys, there is the place.
You silly Yankees call life in America? Well, mon ami, there is an answer. The French baguette. A little piece of Paris.
Guys, you should have to go there.
The croissants are always fresh. The
And
coffee is always pressed.
there are 9 minutes. Guys, you can sell here your vehicles, cars, aeroplanes, helicopters, anything. You can sell here them. Okay, guys, bye.